All right, here is the material hypothesis. So if you've chosen to do the material hypothesis, testing for the different densities of different paper, here are the details for that. Okay, so you are testing different material, like I just said, um, and see you're testing and you've formed your hypothesis, whether that's lighter material flies furthest or heavier, denser material flies furthest. Your control group is the 8 by 11 inch copy paper. I'm not sure what the density is of that or what the thickness is of that paper, but I have to imagine it's pretty close to being in the middle. Um, I'm sure you can find three prototypes. Okay, so remember we're measuring distance. That's our dependent variable, right? The distance traveled by the paper airplane will greatly depend on the type of material, or at least that's what we're hypothesizing. So you need three prototypes. Okay, you need to construct three prototypes. One is the control group, what we're testing it against, and that's the copy paper. And then any type of paper material that is less dense than copy paper. Earlier, I had mentioned that um, you could do newspaper. Newspaper would be a good option for that. Notebook paper is certainly less dense than copy paper. Um, I don't know how well stuff like tissue paper would work. That might be a little too thin, but up to you. See if you can make it work. All right, but those are the three prototypes you need. And then also make sure, really important, each of the prototypes must be the same paper airplane design. Okay, they can't, you can't introduce another variable because you don't know what your data would be telling you. Who knows what you measured? So you need to make three prototypes from different materials, but of all the same design. Okay, you can go with classic, or you can look up a design that you'd like. I might even attach a link before I send this out um, to a website that has different designs. So you can do whatever design you want as long as all three prototypes are exactly the same design. Okay, see you in the next slide.